Hey, what's up everybody? Josh here, and I am really excited about what's in this box. Straight from Lenovo, we have the 16-inch Legion 5i Pro gaming laptop. This is the Intel version. Let's open her up. See what we got. Let's start with the basic stuff here. All right, so we got a power brick. Ooh, Legion stickers, very nice, very nice. Let's see, what is the adapter? 230 watt power brick here. All right, now we got the machine itself. Oh, look at that. A metal top to it. Oh, that's really nice. Yeah, I like that. Very simple. Has the power button right in the middle. That's cool. You got a nice large single trackpad. Got your typical slim keyboard. One of the things they said about the keyboard was that it has some travel to it, which, yeah, I mean, it feels kind of clicky, which is nice. Yeah, I'm digging that. For something that's like a desktop replacement, that's pretty nice. I mean, I know it's only an inch smaller than what I usually use, but for some reason it feels way less clunky than my HP Omen that I use all the time for like video editing and gaming and stuff. So let's go through some of the specs. First, we have an 11th gen 8-core i7 processor at 2.3 gigahertz, 16 gigs of 3200 DDR4 RAM, a 512 gig PCIe Gen 4 drive, GeForce RTX 3050 graphics, and check this out, a 500 nit 16-inch Quad HD display that's been Pantone factory calibrated. Mwah. That's the kind of thing that makes this a perfect crossover for people like me who are both content creators and gamers. So happy to see calibration included in there. And just above the screen, you have a 720p webcam with an e-shutter. And in previous models, they included a physical privacy shutter, but because the bezels are so thin, that wasn't going to work. So they threw in a switch on the side of the machine that cuts power to the camera when you want some privacy. I think it's a great compromise, but I think some people are still going to be a little weirded out not having that physical shutter. Some other improvements include Lenovo's new AI engine, which optimizes games for improved frame rates, and their Cold Front 3.0 tech with a larger intake and quad exhaust vents for better cooling. They've included their True Strike keyboard with a full number pad, which has a pretty decent amount of travel, and another improvement, a 23-inch larger single surface trackpad. You can see they've included large arrow keys, which is a nice touch. Some laptop manufacturers put those tiny little arrow keys in there. I don't know, to keep the keyboard perfectly rectangular, it's annoying. This is better. When it comes to sound, you have Nahimic 3D audio for gamers, which is there to improve overall immersion. Now, Nahimic has proven problematic in the past. I'm a little worried it's more of a gimmick here, but we'll see. Looking at the I/O on the left side, you have Thunderbolt 4, a headphone mic combo jack. On the other side, you have USB-A 3.2 Gen 1, and on the back, you have Ethernet, another Thunderbolt 4, 3 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1s, HDMI, and your AC power jack. Personally, I've always had mixed feelings about ports on the back, but if you are using this as a desktop replacement, it's probably not going to matter to you too much. So the last thing I'll mention is the battery. This thing has a nice big 80 watt-hour battery, and it has quick charging. So you can get this thing to 50% in 30 minutes, which is very, very cool. So that's just a quick show and tell of the Lenovo Legion 5i Pro. This thing is an absolute beast, and I'm really excited to try it out. I'll drop a link in the description below if you want to check it or the AMD version out for yourself. And just a reminder, anytime you make a purchase through one of my links, you help support the channel. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.